Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley if you guys are new here, and if you guys are my OG subscribers, welcome back. I missed you. Today I am going to be doing a lip swatch video. You guys love my lip swatch videos, and I haven't done one in a really long time. Today I'm going to be doing a lip swatch video of one of my favorite brands and honestly favorite lipsticks after I've tried these out for a few months. These lipsticks are absolutely amazing. I'm so excited to share them with you guys and lip swatch all of them for you guys. I'm going to read you a description of the lipsticks so you guys can get an idea. They are the Velour Extreme Matte Lipsticks. They launched in January of 2018. And they are the Extreme Color, a pigmented pack color explosion of full coverage intensity, extreme matte, innovative mattifying powders, fuses silky conditioners, creating the ultimate matte lipstick without drying or cracking. Extreme control, slim precision bullet grabs, defines and fills your lips in one effortless stroke. Built-in shaper to customize the tip for lining and filling, ideal for creating edgy effects and everyday extremes. So I have been trying out these lipsticks for a couple months now. Laura Mercier sent these to me in December. Enough talking, let's jump right into the video. So the Velour Extreme Matte Lipsticks come in 24 different shades and they retail for $28. You can find them on Sephora's website or the Laura Mercier website. The first one is the shade Respect. This is Respect. Very black china-esque, but still a pretty color. It would look good on a lot of different skin tones. Honestly, let's try it with cork lip liner and see how it goes. It's a really pretty shade. You will need a lip liner with this if you are darker skin toned. Honestly, unless you're super pale, you're going to need a lip liner with this shade. But if you get a lip liner that is darker than the lipstick, it is a really pretty color. Like, this looks very pretty. This is Ruthless without a lip liner. This is Ruthless with cork lip liner from MAC. Again, a darker shade, just helps the overall appearance. Next shade is Goals. This is Goals. This is with a darker lip liner. Next color we have is Fierce. This is Fierce. Next we have Vibe, which is one of my favorites. Next we have It Girl, a very pretty pink. This is It Girl. Next we have Fab. Fab. Now we have Power. Fresh, which is another one of my favorites. Next we have Control. At this point, with the way that I've been applying these lipsticks, I feel like Miranda sings. I apologize. Next is Fatal. Do you see how this lipstick is on right now? And I'm drunk. This is Fatal. Next we have Boss. Next one is Rock. This one's super pretty. Next one is Queen. This shade literally makes me want to scream, yes, Queen. Like, so pretty. This is like such a pretty summer shade. I love this shade. Next we have Bring It. It's a very pretty pink shade. Next is Click. At this point in the lip swatch video, I am having the hardest time staying in between the lines of my lips. Next we have Dare. I don't know why, but this is the only shade that's patchy out of all of these. Even swatching it on my hand, it's a lot thinner than all of the other ones, so maybe this is just supposed to be like more of a natural purple. I don't know, but I really had to build this up in order for it to not be streaky, but it is a really pretty color. Next one is Extreme. The next one is Cool. Well, this is a lot, but this is cool. Not terrible with a lip liner, but still probably not a color that I would gravitate towards, but still pretty. This is Stylin'. This is On Point. Such a pretty summer shade. Oh my gosh, my lips are on fire. Next one is fire, very appropriate. This is fire. Next we have hot. Oh my gosh, why am I struggling so hard? This is hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm... And last, but certainly not least. Last we have dominate. And this is dominate. So guys, those are all 24 Velour Extreme Matte Lipsticks. I really hope you guys enjoyed the swatches. Let me know if you will be picking up any of these shades. My overall review of these lipsticks is that I love them. They are amazing. I love the stick. Even though it looks like I was struggling with the stick throughout this video, I was just struggling in general. Love how portable it is. I never lose these. I lose a lot of like the smaller lipstick. I always mix Fresh and Vibe together. I wear those all the time. I've been wearing those for months. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I wear those on my IG stories and on my Instagram all the time. They are the best lipsticks. Like, these lipsticks feel like butter on your lips. They're matte, but they do not, they're almost like a hydrating matte. I don't even know how to explain it. It literally just feels like you're wearing nothing on your lips. It doesn't make your lips feel super crusty. I'm kind of over the matte lipsticks that just suck the living daylights out of your lips. These just are very wearable. They feel comfortable on the lips, and I really enjoy wearing these. I think Laura Mercier did an amazing job with these new lipsticks, and I highly recommend you guys pick up a few. They are bomb. So if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these shades I mentioned, I will list them all down in the description box for you guys with links so you guys can check them out and purchase them, read reviews for yourself, and let me know what you guys think. I love hearing from you guys. I love interacting with you guys in the comments. If you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you never miss a video. And leave me requests down below what lip swatch videos you would like to see next. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye!